Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to place text behind an object in CapCut on your PC. Start by adding your video clip to the timeline. Then, add a text layer directly above the clip. You can type in your text and adjust the size, font and position to fit your scene. After that, you need to duplicate the video clip. Right-click on the bottom clip and select Copy, then paste it so that the text is now placed between the two video clips. Next, select the top video clip. Go to the Cutout section and choose Auto Cutout. CapCut will begin processing the background removal automatically. After it finishes, you'll see that your subject is now in front of the text, making it look like the text is placed behind the person. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.